Okay, so what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Finally, OnePlus started to roll out stable version of OxygenOS 12. Now most of the users have started getting the OTA update for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. We have been getting many comments regarding the OTA update. So OnePlus have almost fixed everything, every issue on OxygenOS 12, and now people are receiving the update via OTA. As you can see here, the new version is OxygenOS version 12 C.44. And for people who are running OxygenOS 11, they are receiving the OTA update, wherein the size of the update is 4300 MB, which is 4.3 GB. Before talking about the changelogs, guys, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video, and still we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So this is my OnePlus 9. I've already updated the device to latest build of OxygenOS 12, which is version C.44. Let me show you the software information. Here you can see Android version is Android 12. On this build, we get the security patch of 5th Jan 2022. And if you take a look at the build number, it says version C.44. So this is the latest stable build of OxygenOS 12 for OnePlus 9 series. I've been using this build since yesterday. Until now, no issues to be found. Most of the issues or bugs which were present on the previous updates of OxygenOS 12 have been fixed on this update. If you guys haven't received the OTA update, I'll leave the link of complete zip files which you can download and do a local upgrade if you're running OxygenOS 11. And if you guys don't want to update your device manually, then wait for a day or two. You guys must receive an OTA update. And if you guys are running OxygenOS 11, then these are the change logs which you guys gonna see, which also includes the new features of OxygenOS 12 like dark mode, new shelf, work-life balance 2.0, updated gallery version, new canvas AOD, and some features of camera. And for people who are running version C.40, these are the change logs which they're gonna see once they receive the OTA update. Talking about the benchmark results, so these are the benchmark results of the latest update, in which single core had scored 893 and multi-core have scored 3341. And these are the benchmark results on OxygenOS 11, where you can see single core scores way higher than the OxygenOS 12 latest build. Same thing goes with the Antutu benchmark application. Here device scores 7,62,670. On OxygenOS 11, these were the scores, wherein device scored 8,02,249. So with this build, I have seen a huge drop in the benchmark results on my OnePlus 9. And one issue what OnePlus haven't fixed is related to widgets. On previous updates, whenever you used to resize the widgets, the text used to get cropped. And it's the same thing on this build too. As you can see here, if I'm trying to resize the widgets, text is still getting cropped. So this issue has still not been taken care by OnePlus. Talking about the changelog, so with the first changelog, OnePlus says they have improved the overall performance of the device, and that we'll get to know after using the device for a day or two. So stay tuned for my complete review video. Within a day or two, I'll come up with the complete review in which I'll also include battery backup, gaming part, and camera stuff. As always, we'll be creating a poll, so make sure to be active on our YouTube channel. With this update, OnePlus also confirms they have fixed the issue of notifications and UI glitches of quick setting tiles. But I have observed one thing on the previous update. Soon after flashing, I never face any kind of issues with the notification panel, but as days goes, notification starts to appear on my OnePlus 9. So I'll be using this device as my primary phone with latest build of OxygenOS running on it, so that I can confirm whether those issues have been taken care or not. OnePlus also says that they have fixed the notification issues while gaming. So let's wait for my complete review and I'll update you guys about the same thing. Until now, no 90 FPS support in Battlegrounds Mobile India. So as you can see here, lobby settings is smooth in 90 FPS. If I enable monitor data, we only get 60 FPS right now. So still we don't get to see 90 FPS option on OxygenOS 12 for OnePlus 9 series. Later, OnePlus also says they have fixed the issues related to haptic feedback, though I personally never noticed any kind of issues related to haptic feedback. Last fix is related to the camera application, where they have fixed the crashing issues of camera. So for me, no issues at all after this update. Camera application opens up pretty quick. These are similar changelogs what we recently saw on ColorOS version C.44. In that also they had fixed the issue of few options not working in the video category. And when it comes to camera, I did not notice much of improvements over the previous update. Here are few samples which I clicked after updating the device to latest version, which is C.44. And with the last changelog, OnePlus says they have updated their devices to latest security patch, which is 5th Jan 2022. So guys, this was the quick look on the latest update for OnePlus 9 series, which is version C.44, which is based on Android 12. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.